Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers Palmerston North. Welcome to 174 Maxwells Line. Are you looking for a tidy, move-in ready, put your feet up kind of home? Then you're in luck. This beautiful 3-bedroom home has a lot to offer. It's been upgraded throughout. We've got an upgraded kitchen and bathroom, separate dining and lounge area. We've got a sunroom, and at the back it's got its own room attached to external garage. And to top it all off, it's got a 4 heat pump system to cover you for all seasons. But that's enough for me. Let's go through and have a look. This home has a fantastic feel. Either come to my next open home or give me a call anytime. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.